In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you must have a video which has green screen, or of course an image as well. And then over here, you have to click on it to select it. And then on the right hand side, you want to go into effects. So over here, there's a bunch of different ones. Click on effects and it's going to take you into effects. And the one you want to select is the chroma key. So just click on it. And as you can see, the chroma key has been applied. And sometimes it may be a bit buggy and laggy because it says here frame rate may be decreased in the preview and it will be increased in export, so don't worry about that. But if it doesn't work, so for example here you can see it actually didn't work, that is because you have to set the threshold. So the threshold currently is not high enough, so you want to use this slider. You want to slide to the right over here, and as you can see, there we go. If I go too much, it's going to go over it, but if I do just the right amount here, for example, let's say this is the sweet spot, I can now play this and you'll be able to see that the chroma key has actually been applied. Yeah, there we go. It seems to work perfectly and the green screen has been removed from the video. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.